Hello everyone. Today we are making strawberry milk in 3 different ways. I'm cutting some washed and cleaned strawberries into small pieces. You can certainly cut them into smaller pieces if you want. You might have seen this Korean-inspired milk recipe in many places already. Here we are going to enrich the flavor with few add-ons. We are going to add a spoonful of sugar to these strawberries. Please do add more sugar if your strawberries are sour. Now let's stir this well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes or until the water oozes out. Let's prepare the milk in the meanwhile. If you're lactose intolerant or a vegan, almond milk or oat milk goes really well with this recipe. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of whipped cream or heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. If you want to go dairy-free, please use some dairy-free alternative available in your locality. Here goes 1/4 of a teaspoon of strawberry essence to the milk. Let's fill 1/4 to half of the glass with strawberries. And when it reaches the desired amount, let's top it up with the milk we prepared. The next method is to muddle the strawberries. As I didn't have a muddler, I used my mortar and pestle instead. Now transfer the muddled strawberries into a glass and top it up with the milk. The magic is in the combination of cream, condensed milk and strawberry essence. This will enhance the flavor of plain strawberry milk to an ice cream flavored drink. The third and the last method is to put the strawberries into a blender, add milk, and blend it really well until smooth. For this method, you can even use frozen strawberries and avoid the 10 minutes waiting time in the beginning. Now it's time to sit back and enjoy the goodness of strawberries. Follow for more detailed and fun recipes.